Okay, for question B, teacher will do for in this video. Question A dah buat dah, so you can go through question A, 4 markah. Question B, given alpha and beta are the roots, adalah punca-punca bagi this equation lah. Okay, form a quadratic equation which has the roots yang ini. Okay, selalunya teacher will always tell my students, if the soalan use the word form, bentukkan, kan, you see here, this one you all highlight. Okay, when you do revision, you see this bentukkan, right? Automatically mesti cari HTP dan HDP yang lama dulu. That means you must find the old SOR, sum of roots, and old product of roots. You must do that first, then only you can do the new ones. Okay, so what teacher do you mean by old? I'm very sure kalau form 4 you already dah learn this chapter, isn't it, by now? Okay, this one have to remember. Ini kena hafal. Dalam SPM this is not given. Teacher always will ask my students to hafal BA bar CHR, negative BA bar CHR, B over A for product of roots, C over A. Okay, alright, so for this now, okay, this is your equation kan, 2x square minus 6x tambah 9. Okay, let's cari the old roots first. HTP yang lama dulu. Alpha tambah beta. Why teacher know alpha tambah beta? Because they tell already, alpha and beta adalah punca. Okay, so alpha plus beta sama dengan negative B. My B is negative 6 over A. So alpha plus beta adalah positive 3. Okay, leave it here. Next, cari the old product of roots. Cari yang alpha beta punya dulu. So alpha times beta sama dengan C over A. C is 9, right? A is 2. So 9 over 2. Okay, after you dah settle this, baru boleh cari the new sum of roots. Okay, new one, teacher, which one new one? There, which has the roots alpha plus 2, beta plus. So sekarang ada punca yang baru. So we are doing the new one now, baru one. Okay, so use the one alpha plus 2 tambah beta plus 2. If the soalan give you alpha beta, please use alpha beta. Don't go and write A and B. Okay, don't go and write A and B. Alright, so alpha plus beta plus 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, what is alpha plus beta? 3 kan? So here we put 3. 3 plus 4. So what is 3 plus 4? 7. Okay, so kita biar dulu. Next, we find new product of roots. Okay, alpha plus 2, beta plus 2. Okay, kena darab lah. So we have to kembangkan first. Alpha, beta. And then here will be 2 alpha. And then here will be 2 beta. And then here will be 4. Okay, for this question, you see alpha, beta. Okay, kita ada alpha, beta. Tapi the other one is alpha plus beta kan? So what you have to do is, you see they have the same number here. You factorize the number, keluarkan. So you take out like that. It will be 2 alpha plus beta. Okay, sekarang nampak dah sama dah here. Okay, so you can masukkan the values. Alpha beta is 9 over 2. 2 alpha plus beta, sini letak 3. Okay, now we settle this. Okay, 9 per 2 tambah 6 tambah 4. 29 over 2. Okay, now teacher dah boleh tulis the equation already. Okay, so kita give your answer dalam bentuk ni. Okay, see the equation Okay, x square tolak new sum of roots 7x tambah product of roots Okay, berdasarkan soalan, I cannot leave my jawapan in pecahan. Tak boleh. Kita tak boleh biar 29/2 macam tu. So, kena jadikan tak ada nombor 2 dekat bawah. How to jadikan don't have nombor 2? So, I darab with 2. Usually, whatever you do dekat depan, make sure you just do dekat belakang also. You guys, you can argue or you can say, teacher, belakang kan 0, right? Yes, betul. Tapi, it's like you're showing the working, okay? So here 2x square 2 times 7 14x, lepas tu 29 only lah. So this is your final answer, the new equation. So can easy 3 marks here actually. Okay, if you understand, you can follow, just give teacher a like, subscribe, okay, and then bagi komen juga. Okay, teacher, saya faham, so that I know that you guys are following and I can keep doing more videos for you. Okay, have a good time studying. See you all next video.